Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Katashi and welcome. In today's video, I'll be making fricassee chicken in coconut milk along with some mashed potatoes. Let's jump right into the video. So first I'm going to start out by seasoning my chicken with some all-purpose seasoning, some chicken seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and some chili flakes. Who doesn't love chili flakes? It's spicy and it gives peppery. Yeah. Then we're going to go ahead and add some paprika and some browning. Then we're going to mix that all together and set it aside to marinate. Then after about 15 minutes of marinating, we're going to go ahead and fry up our chicken skin down first for about 6 minutes, then 6 minutes on each side.